Okay, so this guide will give you fast relief and a clear plan to end bed bugs. Practical steps you can start today to feel safe and sleep again. You know what really helps? A simple plan so bed bugs stop waking you up and biting your family. This guide gives immediate actions, a realistic weeks-long treatment plan, and signs to know when it's gone. To see the products we recommend to get rid of bed bugs, click the link below. This one's important. Start here for quick bite relief and to slow the spread tonight. These steps give immediate relief and make the rest of your treatment actually work. Okay, so first, put a bed bug-proof mattress encasement on your mattress and box spring. Wash bedding, curtains, and clothing that touch your bed in hot water and dry on high heat for at least 30 minutes. Put interceptors under each bed leg to catch and monitor bugs. Move the bed at least a foot away from walls and keep nearby furniture away from the bed to reduce hiding routes. Strip clutter from around the bed and floor so there are fewer hiding places. These steps lower bites and give you breathing room to work on the infestation. Here's the thing, getting rid of bed bugs isn't one spray. This is a consistent system you follow together for the best chance of success over weeks. Okay, so start by containing and separating. Put regularly used bedding and clothes in sealed bags or containers until laundered and keep clean and unclean items separate. Label a clean laundry basket and don't mix treated with untreated. Wash and dry fabrics on high heat or use a dryer or steam, keeping casements and interceptors on the whole time. This part matters. Use a contact spray for immediate knockdown and a residual spray in cracks and frames so bugs die later. Follow label directions and don't spray bedding where people sleep. Vacuum weekly and reduce clutter so treatment works. Spray twice a week the first month, then once a week for 2 to 3 months. If you want to buy the gear that makes this easy, encasements, interceptors, and the right sprays, click the link below. Inspect regularly for live bugs, shed skins, fecal spots, small dark dots, and blood spots. Check seams, furniture, and baseboards. Keep notes or photos to track progress so you can spot improvement or recurring activity. This one matters. Here's the simple test to know when you're done and how to stay there. It keeps you confident instead of guessing for months. This is straightforward. If you do not find the signs below for 3 straight months, your infestation is very likely gone. That 3-month window is what people who beat bed bugs rely on. Look closely for live bed bugs, shed skins or exoskeletons, and fecal spots, those small dark dots. These are the evidence that tells you activity is still happening. Also, watch for blood spots. Keep inspecting weekly. Even if you don't see bugs, keep encasements and interceptors in place until you reach the 3-month mark. Record what you find so you can be confident. Here are a few extra practical things that make treatment easier and reduce mistakes. Small habits prevent big setbacks. Seal cracks and gaps around walls and pipes so bugs have fewer places to hide. Use clear bags and label boxes when moving things so you don't spread them. If you live with others, set a shared plan so everyone treats bedding and clothing the same way. Be careful with donated items or used furniture. Inspect and treat before bringing them inside. That small check can prevent restarting the whole cycle. This one's important. Consistency and persistence are the keys. Bed bugs can be stubborn, but following the full system above will give you a high chance of success. For the products that make every step simpler and more effective, click the link below. I know this is stressful, but you can do this. Small, steady actions add up. For the products that make every step simpler and more effective, click the link below.